Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to copy data from view-only Google Sheets. Now let's suppose this sheet is only viewable and I cannot edit it. As you can see, I have only view-only access. To get the edit access, I have to request the admin. From here, what you have to do is go to the URL section. From this /edit, you have to change just a little bit to HTML view. Or you have to type HTML view and hit enter. Now your page, the same page will load in the HTML format. Now from here, all you have to do is right click on your mouse and click on Save As, and then select the folder where you want to save the HTML file. I will select the downloads folder, and you can also rename the HTML file, new file. Okay, I will click on save. Now the file has been saved in my download folder. So what I have to do is I will open a new tab on Google Chrome and I will type HTML to CSV converter, and then I will open the first link on the search bar. This website will open. I will select the option called choose file. From here, I will choose my file. For example, I will choose my new file, which is my HTML file, and the HTML file has been loaded on this step 3. Okay, from here, I will click on convert HTML to CSV. I will click on it, and then I will select download result. A new CSV file has been added. From here, I will select file, select import. From here, I will select the upload option and I will drag and drop my CSV file that I have just downloaded. Once imported, I will select on import data. As you can see, just I have to do is make some spaces between the cells and it will look fine. And that's how to copy data from view-only Google Sheet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.